Did you know that Ghana people have their own star constellations? Well, welcome to episode 11 of Did You Know, the Gadangme edition. And today we are looking at ethnoastronomy, the study of astronomy in various cultures and how they use this knowledge in their everyday. Did you know Ghana fishermen use particular star systems to navigate the seas, to know which fish were in season, and even when to plant and harvest? So let's talk about these stars. And I'm going to borrow liberally from a book called Gawoya, written by Samuel Adefio in 1953. And this book details the amazing knowledge of the fishermen at this time, including these constellations. So, in no particular order, we have Antor. This is a group of stars shaped like the letter T lying on its side. In Ghana, there's also a fish called Antor with a similar form, and it's this fish that gave the constellation its name. Antor appears for about a month and signals the arrival of herrings, though these fish at this time are tricky to catch, often described as darting and dodging the nets. This season is also the time to harvest atrato, a type of corn, and as it comes to an end, the rains begin to fall. Next, we have Butri, a constellation that rises in the east and settles in the west, and remains visible for about a month and a half. This period marks the season for fishing deep water species. Botry also signals a shift in fishing rhythms. While herrings are caught at night during Mawe, in the time of Botry they are caught in the afternoon. Then there is Matokoyo or Fine. Forgive me for my pronunciation of these systems. Now, this is another star that signals the season for planting wheat. Around this time, a star appears that brings strong winds blowing from the west. These winds last for about 2.5 weeks, and because of their strength, fishermen avoid going out to sea at night. Arabata is another constellation, and you may recognize the name as it's also the Ghana word for the month of January. This group of stars positions itself in a loose circle, and its appearance marks the season when herrings, croakers, and many other fish are plentiful. Kwakwara, this set of stars brings a lot of wind from the west, although you may catch some herrings and other fishes during this time. After a month, they are no longer available. This star set also has a twin called Ofleo. Now, Ofleo, this star set looks similar to Kwakwara, but during this time, few fish, herrings, and threadfins are caught. This star appears for 2 months. Now, just look at the detail used to describe the period in which these stars are shown in the sky. And what I'm telling you is just a summary of what's in the book. Our fishermen were not just people who caught fish, but those who filled themselves with knowledge and understanding of their environment around them, the sea, the land, and the sky. So we practiced our own traditional ecological knowledge and therefore understood the stars. So be proud of your culture, be proud of your people, be proud of your language. And if you want more inspirational Gadangbe content, don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and let's have a conversation in the comments. See you next week for the 12th edition of Did You Know, the Gadangbe edition.